Okay, we brought the wrong camera harness, so we have to hold it in our hands, but we're gonna do the best we can.
Daddy.
Okay. What's that, Aubrey?
I hold it.
You can hold it. Or actually, no, I'll hold it. You hold on to the bike. Okay. Oh. We'll go like this and we'll videotape while we ride. Okay, you ready? Hold on. Good.
How are you
Mind being on camera?
Oh, that's okay.
We brought the wrong harness, so we gotta hold on to it. I need the head strap, but I left it at home.
How we race?
Oh, she wants to race. Oh, this one?
Yeah, do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty. It's a 2024, I think.
That's how we race.
It's a good little bike for her when she gets a bit older.
Yeah. I was just riding one of those earlier.
Yeah, they're cool, eh?
Yeah, they're fun.
They go like 75 and automatic.
That's not too bad.
Yeah. That's a sweet one though, eh?
Yeah, 2023.
It's a 2023?
Yep.
Nice.
That's how we race, Daddy.
Crashed yesterday, bumped the front end.
You did, eh?
Yeah.
Nice. So what are you doing now? Just wailing down there?
Yeah, I'm going home.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was just up the mountains.
That's
Nice.
how we race.
We can't race him because he's too fast, Aubrey. But if he drives through the trail, we'll watch him go.
Alrighty.
Take it easy, man. There you go. He's fast, eh, Aubrey?